Hello guys, welcome back to day 2 of Building CompoLib. In yesterday video, we have initialized the Next.js app and planned the how our UI will look like. You can see in the hero section, we will have navbar and we will have tag, then we will have heading, then we will have get started button, then we will have preview image, then we will have features image with using motions and we will have features here. Yeah, in both side we are going to add features and opposite side we are going to add motions. It is going to be optional third one. Then we will have footer. Then we are going to add signature in the last. So in today's video we are going to build a navbar. So let's start building it. Let's open our code editor. Actually I have done the global.css. You can see it. I have initialized the all colors which we have needed for this. Actually, this is going to be a complete dark theme project. So I am initialized with a neutral. So you can see we have colors for everything. We have primary, secondary, then primary foreground, everything. We have decided the colors. This is going to be theming. I have themed all the colors. You can copy and paste it while coding. Then I have written the utils, lib utils to for the tailwind merge and the CLX. We are going to use the CL. So we are going to use the tailwind merge whether if we are doing we adding any class names, then we need to aware of duplicate. When we use tailwind merge, it will merge the duplicate class names. That's why we are going to use it. Then I am going to use container. So in common, I have created the container. It is going to be common. We are going to use it everywhere. That's why I am naming it as a common. Then I am going to using a container. It is going to be, I have declared the types of a container props. A children is going to be React node and class name is going to be string and it is going to be optional. Then I am exporting a container function. Then I am going to return a div with a class name cn and mx auto and width full and max width is going to be 5xl and padding x is going to be 6 and in medium screens then we are going to add a padding x of 8 and in large screens we are going to add padding x of 12. We are going to use container in everywhere. So now today we are going to build a navbar. So let's create it. I'm going to create in the component. I think wait. I have made a mistake. First we need to create a component folder here on the src folder. Component, sorry, compo. Then I am going to add the common inside the components. Yep. Now it is clear. Under the components we have common and we have container. It is better. Now we are going to create a inside the common. I'm going to create another one file. It is going to be navbar.tsx. Then we are going to use this. First we are going to write a REFCE. It is going to be a React snippet. You can install the extension and you can use it. Now we are going to import the container here. Import container. Then we are going to use it here. Remove the div. Then use the container. Container. Yep. Next we are going to write here. We are going to write nav here. Then first we are going to there will be a navbar. That's why we have div. Then we will you can see in the Chrome in the plan we will have this div. this is going to be entire div. Then we will have the this separate div. Then this is separate. Then this is separate. Then we are going to flex between. Then it is going to be divide the places. So let me open, and I am going to create it another one div. It is going to be logo. Just I am adding a just for the guidance. Then I am going to add a links here. Then I am going to add buttons here. Next, I am going to add a class name for that. So class name is going to be flex flex between sorry justify between and item center. Now it will be in the center. So let's import this in the app. Okay, let's go to layout. Inside the app, we are going to layouts. Then here we are going to use it. Let's import navbar. Then I am going to use it here. Before the children, I am going to use navbar. Yep, it is perfect. Now let's run the server. npm run dev. Guys, now you can see our navbar is appearing. You can see in the top, it is going to be logo. Then here we are adding links. Then here we are going to add buttons. So our navbar is completely ready. Let's write correctly. So go to VS Code. Then I'm going to common components, common and sidebar, sorry navbar. Then I'm going to write properly. It is going to be compo lib. Then I'm going to add ul. Then I'm going to add li. I'm going to add home. Then we will have features. Then we will have pricing. Then we will have about. Yep. Now it is perfect. Then I am going to add here two buttons. One is for sign up and one is for login. So first I am going to use the SATCN UI. So let's install it. npm SATCN at latest latest init. Yep. Okay, there is an error. SATCN at latest SATCN. Okay. Wait a minute. I will see in the Chrome. SATCN install in Next.js. Next.js SATCN, right? Okay. I will see in the npm SATCN at latest init. Okay, let's copy it. Let's go and paste it. Now it is installing. Now it is perfect. Next, I am going to copy another one command in the SATCN only. Import button. Okay. We need to add like this. npx SATCN. Okay, we need to add npx. I have added the npm. I think. Let me see. Yep, we are going to add in neutral. Yes, guys. Now you can see I have added npm. I need to add npx. Okay. I have made the mistake. After initializing, I'm going to use button here. So I will wait for it. Before that, I'm going to add another one section here. Is going to be nav. Then I'm going to add it. I think nav Should I need to add nav or section? Wait, I think nav is okay. Now let me format document. Yep. Next, I'm going to add install the button. npx-cn at latest button. Now it will install the button. Let's continue our work. I have added the nav. Next, I'm going to add a class name. Class name, why it is not coming? CLA, yep. Class name. Next, I'm going to add sticky. S T, okay, stocky. STICKY. Sticky. Then I'm going to add top 0. Then Z50. Then I'm going to add, what should we need to add? It is perfect. Sticky, top 0, then Z index 50. Then we need border. Border, BORD, border. Okay. BORD, border. Then it is going to be, how much shall I add? Border. I think border is enough. Then I am going to add a backdrop blur also. Backdrop blur. What? I think it added something else. Wait, I will see. When I zoom, yeah, zoom this much, it is hard to code. Border. Then backdrop blur. Then backdrop blur. I think SM. Yep, backdrop blur SM is enough, I think. Then I am going to add a BG color. BG background is going to be 95. Then I am going to add a support for this. Support. Yep. Supports backdrop filter. Backdrop filter. Then I'm going to add BG. BG background is going to be 60. Yep. What is, then we are going to talk. Okay, we don't need to add that. It is going to be 60. Now it is perfect. Backdrop blur is going to be 60. I think I have made mistake with, yeah, backdrop blur is going to be 60. Perfect. Then what else? Let me see in the preview how it is looking like. Oh, our server is stopped. So let's restart the server. Control C, CLS, npm run dev. Now you can see in the components, we have another folder UI. We have installed the button here in the section using section. Our server is started. So let's refresh. Yeah, now we can see we have nav bar. Oh, but backdrop blur is not coming. I think it is coming, right? Backdrop blur is not coming, I think. It is coming or not. Let me decrease the size. I think it is coming, but it is not visible properly. It is going to be 60 if it is perfect. Then let me remove it. Okay, we need to add that. I think backdrop blur I have added the small. Let me add large backdrop blur, large or medium. Yes, MD. Let me see now. If it is working, then it is perfect. If it is coming, but it is not visible completely. Sorry, are you? Can you seeing that? I don't know if you are seeing it not. Now we can see there is a backdrop blur, but we need to it must visible properly. Wait, what is missing? It's going to be border perfect. Then busy background 95 or let's add 90. Let me see now. Right now you can see it is visible properly now. You can see now. Now you can see clearly. Yep. Now let's add the flex for this ULs. So let's add that. I'm going to add, and we need to clarify the height also. Sticky top 0. Then I'm going to add a height 16. Height 16 is enough for us. Height 16. Then border. I think it is not visible in. I think let's me add border white. Border B. Let me see now. Is it visible or not? Yep, it is visible now. Border B. Let me add that. Okay. Now we need to add justify between. Okay, it is item center. Then we need to add for this also. Class name is going to be flex item center. Justify center. Then gap is going to be 3. Let me see now. Yep, now it is looking perfect. Right now you can see it is looking perfectly alright. We have border, then we have neighbor, then it is in the top. I am going to add it in the center. We in the left side we have then CompoLib, then in the center we have links, then in the right side we have buttons. We need to add still. So let me add it. Then I'm going to add it. Okay, flex justify between item center. It is perfect. Then what else should we need to add? Sticky, okay. Top 550. Then height 16 border B. Then BG background 90. Backdrop blur medium. Then supports. Okay. I will add item center here also. Let me see if it is working or not. Oh, still not working. Why? Let me see. Under the container, we have another one. Class name flex justify center. Items and okay. We have only justified between here. We need to add item center I have added, but still I don't know why. Let's add me to the container. Class name flex justify center. Let me see. Oh, now it is very bad. Let me close it. We don't need flex. We will add item center only. Okay, item center. Still it is not working. Okay, we will ignore it. Then I am going to add another one button for the sign up and sign out. Let me add that. We are going to import button. I will fix it later. So let's import the import button from UI button. Then we are going to use here we are going to use button. We need to use caps. Then name is going to be login. Then size is going to be small. In Chatsion UI, we will have size also. We are going to use size small system. Then we will have variant. I am going to add outline. Then for okay, hmm, I have added the outline for the login. Then I am going to add another one button. It is going to be sign up. Yeah. Then I am going to add size is going to be same small and variant is going to be the size is going to be small. Then I am going to add variant is going to be default. It is going to be default. Then I'm going to add flex for this also. Class name is going to be flex. Justify center item center. Then gap is going to be 4. Let me see how it is looking like. Yep, our button looks very beautiful, but it is not coming in the center. I will fix. I need to fix that. It is our button is ready, and our links are also ready, and our logo is also ready. But navbar is not coming in the center. I need to fix that, and we need to increase the space between the pricing for links, and we need to add a hover effect for the underline. So let me add that. After that, I'm going to fix that. We need to increase the gap between this. I'm going to add 4. Then for okay, I think we need to add for all of this. I think it is perfect. I think I have missed something. Wait, I will see in the demo. Now you can see I have fixed the error. So let me see the preview. Now you can see our navbar in the center, and it is looking very beautiful also. So let me remove the Next.js this demo, and I'm going to add a just wait. I'm going to remove in the page. Yep, in the page I'm going to remove everything. Then RAFTE. Then it is going to be home. Then I'm going to import nav. We need to import or not? We don't need to import. Now I'm going to write a H1 here. For you guys, you need to subscribe. This should be subscribe me. Then class name is going to be text 7XL. Then font bold. Then class name is going to be flex justify center item C center. Let me see, guys. Subscribe now. Yeah. Let me see. Guys, now you see our navbar and just I am added the demo. It is looking very beautiful. Let me. I'm going to. I'm going to add. I'm going to add. Yeah. What we need to add? Okay. We need to add height. Height is going to be min h3. Now it will be in the center. I think. Yeah. No, it is in the center. Now you can see. When we take the subscribe to the navbar, it will backdrop the. Now you can see it is very looking tasty. Now it is perfect. Now SUV is now our navbar is ready. In we need to increase the bold for the logo. Let me add that. Let's go to logo common navbar. For the logo, I'm going to add class name font bold. Yep, let me see. Now it is looking very beautiful. Now it is perfect. See in the, yeah, I think it is the logo is not visible properly. I'm going to add text also. Wait, text. Yep, to Excel. Let me see. To Excel is enough. Yep, it is looking proper now. Now we have buttons, then links, then logo. Then we are going to add in the next videos. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's meet in the next video.